Mushroom hunting for macro shots. If you watched last week's video, you'll know before I do if I succeeded, because as of now I have yet to find any. Only bits and pieces left over from whatever enjoyed them. But today's video, which is still the same day as last week, is about this flash. The Viltrox Vintage Flash. Plain, I'll try to get the noise out for you. This flash is stupendous. I've used it a few times before this, but now I've used it all day. It's so easy to set up, an idiot can do it. And I know that because I'll turn it on. There's a wheel in the back to adjust flash intensity. I've been using it at a 164 to 132 because it is pretty cloudy out today. We'll see if that is enough. It has been freezing the movement on every insect I find. It is extremely light. It even has the ability to work with a secondary flash. You can sync it on the side. You have an S1 or S2 options. Charged via USB-C. Looks gorgeous and was inexpensive. I can't really find a fault with it right now. Obviously it's not good for continuous use. There's a little light on the back. It shows up green when it's good, red when it's not, type deal. Again, pretty self-explanatory. The packaging it came in was great. You've seen that in the unboxing video of the OM-3. I'm going to take some more shots with it, walk around, see if I can find any bad uses for it, bad use case. But as it stands right now, this is my flash of choice. Take that with a grain of salt, as I've used 6 flashes total. Yeah, let's get going. That's the bench I was sitting on talking to you. That's the mushroom. And it's a mushroom you probably saw shots of last week. But we're going to get some more shots. We're going to put this flash to the test. You know what this flash is really good at? Not getting in the way. It took me a long time to get those shots. Some of it was manual focus, trying to get the camera set up correctly, trying to get the background the way I liked it. I'm still not sure any of them came out well. You'll know before this version of me. At no point, though, was I worrying about flash settings, because the flash settings on this are simple. On, off, percentage of power. Everything else is set in the camera, and those are kind of set and forget for me. So, end verdict, this vintage flash. It looks amazing. It works. Charges via USB-C. It's inexpensive. It's light. It's been reliable. It's gone to Iceland and back so far. And it doesn't get in the way with what you're doing. Good job, Viltrox. I wholly recommend it.